For this video, I am going to teach you how to disable an end-to-end encryption chat on your messenger. So this process that I am going to show you is only possible if the end-to-end encryption is still working on your messenger app or on your device. So this is not available for all of the devices. You just need to take note of that. Now let us continue. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply log or launch the messenger app on your smartphone. Go to the chat where you want to disable the end-to-end encryption. So for example, I have here a chat. Let us say that this is an encrypted message or chat that I have here. So encrypted chats in Messenger are typically called secret conversations. So you can tell if a person is encrypted by looking for a lock icon next to the person's name in the chat list or the chat itself. Now, if you no longer want the chat to be encrypted, you can delete the conversation. So you can do that by simply long pressing onto the chat and hit the delete option and confirm it again. So tap delete. Now, after deleting the secret conversation, you can start a new chat with that person. So the new chat will be unencrypted by default unless you explicitly choose to start another secret conversation. So that is basically it. That is all that you can do if you want to disable the end-to-end encryption for a message or a chat here in Messenger. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.